In the majestic fabric of our cosmic family, Jupiter shines with unmistakable grandeur. It holds the title of the largest planet, and its hypnotizing swirl of hues and tempests orchestrate a captivating visual spectacle. These intricate patterns are more than just a visual treat. They offer valuable insights into Jupiter's atmospheric makeup and structure. Welcome to Jupiter, the reigning giant of our celestial neighborhood, where nature's unparalleled craftsmanship is the star of the show. Jupiter's atmosphere is a canvas of ever-changing hues, created by powerful storms and atmospheric dynamics. Among these, the Great Red Spot, a tempest larger than Earth itself, remains a prime example of the planet's atmospheric marvel. This raging storm with its reddish hue has been swirling for at least 300 years, offering an awe-inspiring spectacle of nature's raw power. But the marvel doesn't end there. Jupiter's atmosphere is adorned with multi-hued cloud bands, each with its unique chemical composition. These bands, ranging from pale yellow to deep red, paint a captivating picture that's visible even from Earth. And it's not only about the visual spectacle. These patterns provide critical insights into the planet's atmospheric properties, including its composition, temperature, and pressure. The dynamic patterns of Jupiter's atmosphere are not only a feast for the eyes, but also a treasure trove of scientific knowledge. Scientists study these patterns to unlock the mysteries of Jupiter's atmosphere, from its swirling storms to its unique composition. Exploring Jupiter isn't just about unraveling scientific mysteries. It's also about marveling at the sheer beauty of nature's creations. The exploration of Jupiter, led by missions like NASA's Juno, is a journey of discovery and appreciation. These missions delve deep into the planet's atmosphere, studying its complex patterns to decode the secrets of its composition and weather dynamics. But as they send back stunning images and data, they also remind us of the aesthetic wonder of the cosmos. Jupiter's intricate patterns, its swirling storms, and vibrant bands of hues are a celestial spectacle. They are a testament to the artistry of nature, painted on a planetary scale. Beyond the scientific intrigue they hold, these patterns are a source of inspiration and marvel. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the stunning patterns of Jupiter, a true masterpiece of our solar system.